So hello guys, I hope you guys are doing fine. So in today's video I'll be discussing how to format your pen drive using command prompt. So basically I'll be using some commands to format my pen drive. So just in case if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into the video. So let me show my pen drive first. Go to this PC and here you can see USB type G is my pen drive. So here you can see some of the files are there. Just I have copied now. So now you have to go to command prompt. Just go to start menu, type command prompt or CMD. Right click, run it as administrator. Just in case a window pops up, then just click yes. So we are in the command prompt. Just type disk, disk part, disk part. So let me show my disk. So just type list disk list. It will show how many disk drive are there in this PC. So one is my hard drive 465 GB, that is 500 GB, and this one is 16 GB pen drive, that is 14 GB. Just type list volume. You can see here there are multiple volumes. One is C drive, it's 97 GB, and one is D drive 366 GB, and this one is my pen drive 14 GB. So these volume 3 and 4 are just created automatically when you are installing a operating system. So these two are created by default. So let me select volume. Just type select volume space 5. So we are in the volume file. Let me show you. List volume. Yeah, one asterisk sign is there. It just means that the volume 5 is selected. So just type here clean. Yeah, it is showing the message disk part succeeded in clearing disk. You need to type create partition primary. It is showing the message disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. You need to type now format fs equal to ntfs space quick. So this one is the file format ntfs, and quick is for formatting the pen drive. We are using quick, so it will be faster. Just type and hit enter. So let us wait for it to get. The message is showing disk part is successfully formatted the volume. So let me show you inside of the pen drive. So this one is my pen drive. So you can here you can see all the files are empty. The folder is empty now. So this was the process showing how to format your pen drive using command prompt. I hope you like the video, and if you are new, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.